Let's start with freelancing. If you know how to write, design, edit videos, or even do voiceovers, you can offer your skills on websites like Fiverr and Upwork. Just create a profile, show your work, and start taking small jobs over time. You'll build experience and earn more. Next is affiliate marketing. You simply share product links online, and when someone buys through your link, you earn money. It works well. If you post on Instagram, YouTube, or even WhatsApp. Try programs like Amazon, Associates, or ShareAzel, and recommend products you actually use. Third is selling digital products. If you can make planners, templates, or printable art, you can sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. You only create the file once, and people can buy it again and again. No shipping or inventory needed. Number 4, start a YouTube channel or a blog. Share teach something or entertain people. Once you grow your audience, you can earn through ads, brand deals, and merchandise. And yes, you can use AI to help you write, edit, and grow your channel. Last, try online surveys and website testing platforms like Swagbucks to Luna and user testing. Pay you for short, simple tasks. You won't get rich, but it's a great way to earn some quick cash while learning more about the online world. Now that you know these 5 easy methods, pick one and start small. Remember, consistency is the key to success. Start today, and your future self will thank you.